kids, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do probability. Our learning objectives are chances and outcome. Such sentences indicate the uncertainty in any event to occur. So we use the word probably, chances, possible doubt, most likely to indicate the probability. We study probability in any event to occur by representing the chances of an event to take place in numerical form. First is chance. The outcome of the actions such as tossing a coin, throwing up a dice, or drawing a card from the well-shuffled pack of cards all depend on chance. Chances means how much likely or possible it is that something will happen, means कितना possible है कि कोई चीज़ हो सकती है. That we want, जो हम चाहते हैं वो कितना possible है कि that will happen, that is the chances. We often take chances and it does not go the way we want it. For example, rain. Some situations are certain to happen means वो होगी ही होंगी. Some are impossible and some have chances of happening. For example, it is certain to happen that we draw a silver coin from a bag containing silver coin. अगर एक बैग में silver coin है तो अगर हम उसमें से coin निकालेंगे तो we'll get a silver coin only. It is impossible that to throw a dice to get a 7 because there are only number from 1 to 6. But it has chances of happening that we throw a dice and we'll get 6. Know it. The word die is a singular and the dice is a plural. Some people do not like the word die and they use the dice even in singular. The deck of the playing cards has all 52 cards. Is a 13 card of each of 4 suits, namely spade, club, heart and diamond. 13 card of each. Card with spade and the clubs are the black color. Spade and club के जो card होते हैं that is of black color. Card with a heart and diamond that are red color. The card with one shape are called the ace. There are 4 aces. 4 aces होंगे, one of each suit. There are 4 kings, 1 in each suit. 4 queens, 1 in each suit. 4 jacks, 1 in each suit. Kings, queens and jacks are known as face cards. It is impossible to get the green card from the well shifted deck of 52 cards because black and red color की card होते हैं, so we cannot draw a green card. So it is certain to get a black or a red card from the deck. There are chances of getting an S from the deck. Next is outcome. An outcome is the result of the single trial of an experiment. When we toss a coin or throw a die, what we get on the top of surface, that is called the outcome of the toss or throw. In short, whatever comes up, that is called the outcome. There are 2 possible outcomes of the toss of coin, whether it's cup, head or tail. So there are 6 outcomes when we throw a die. As the 6 faces, if you draw a card from the well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards, there are 52 possible outcomes. You cannot control the outcome even if you toss, throw or draw properly. If you throw a die and you want 6, you cannot get the 6 as your will. हमेशा ज़रूरी नहीं कि आपको 6 मिले. It is the chances only the same chance for any number from 1 to 6. Next is event. Event, a well-defined outcome is called event. That is, if you specify the outcome, that is called the event. For example, in tossing a coin, getting a specific face, that is the event, or the throwing a die, getting a specific number, that is the event. Next is random experiment. The different outcome of the toss or throw or draw an independent, that is, they are not dependent on the earlier outcome or any definite plan, pattern or aim. First player in the game does not have the greater chances of getting a required outcome. You may know all the possible outcome, but the exact outcome cannot be predicted. So all the outcome of the toss or throw or draw are the random. An experiment is called the random experiment if all its possible outcome are known but the result cannot be predicted. Means पता है कि ये outcome आ सकता है but result we do not know. Thus, when we throw a coin, we know that all possible outcome are head and tail. But if you throw a coin, At random, we cannot predict in advance whether its upper face will show a head or a tail. Performing the random experiment is often referred as trial. Next is equally likely outcome. When we toss a coin several times the number of times, we get head and tail. When you increase the number of toss more and more, the number of head and the number of tail comes closer and closer to each other. The simple chart of the experiment as follows. So number of tosses 50. So you'll get a chances of head 27 and tails 23. Number of tosses 60. So number of head 28 and number of tails 32. So as you increase the tosses, you will get it come closer. Number of heads and number of tails, chances will come closer. Similarly, when we throw a die the larger number of times, the number of 6 outcomes become almost equal to each other. In such cases, we may say that the difference outcome of the experiment are equal likely. That means each of the outcome has the same chances of outcome. There are some situations where an outcome is more likely or less likely. If you have 10 green balls and 4 red balls of same size in a bag, so you draw a ball without looking, it is more likely to get green balls and less likely to get a red ball. We can divide the chances in the following types: impossible, unlikely, less likely, equal likely, more likely, certain. Next is probability of an event. We know an event is a specific outcome. There are only 2 outcomes of tossing a coin, head or tail. Both the outcomes are equal likely. Likelihood of the getting head is 1 out of 2 outcomes. That is 1 by 2 in the other word. We say that the probability of getting the head is 1 by 2. Similarly, the probability of getting the tail, that is also 1 by 2. Also the probability of getting head and tail, that is 2 by 2, that is 1. Next is know it. The probability of the sure event, that is 1. The probability of impossible event, that is 0. The probability of event cannot be less than 0 but not more than 1. Probability of event cannot be negative. If we throw a die marked 1, 2, 6 on its surface, then there are chances outcome 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thus there are 6 equal likely outcome. So probability of getting outcome 3 is 1 out of 6. So probability क्या हो जाएगी 1 and total number of outcome, that is 6. So 1 by 6. Clear? Probability of getting a number 1 to 6, that is 6 by 6, that is 1. Probability getting a number 7, that is 0 by 6, because 7 वहाँ पे होता नहीं है, 7 number नहीं होते, 1 to 6 number ही होते हैं. So that is 0. Probability of getting an even number. Even number कौन से होंगे 2, 4, 6. 3 numbers, so 3 by 6. So that is 1 by 2. Similarly, the probability of getting odd numbers, that is also 3 by 6. Know it. Probability is the measure of the likelihood of getting the specific outcome. Probability, that is number of specific or favorable outcome upon total number of possible outcome. Next is tossing 2 identical coins together. If we toss 2 coins together, the possible outcome head head, head tail, tail head or tail tail. Here H denote the head face and T denote the tail face. Clear? Thus total number of possible outcome, that are 4. So we can find the probability of different outcome as follow. Probability of 2 head together, that is 1 by 4. 2 head 1 है, total outcome 4 है, so 1 by 4. Probability of 2 tails together, that is 1 by 4. Probability of 1 head and 1 tail together, that is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Now we'll take an example here. A box has 5 green balls and 3 red balls. The balls of the same size. The ball is drawn from the box without looking into the box. What is the probability of getting green ball? It is more or less than getting the red ball. So total number of possible outcome 5 plus 3. Total ball कितनी है 3. The probability of getting green ball, that is the number of specific outcome upon total number of possible outcome. So green की हो जाएगी 5 by 8. Similarly, probability of getting red ball, that is 3 by 8. So 5 by 8 is greater than 3 by 8. So therefore, किसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी ज़्यादा हो जाएगी? द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग ग्रीन बॉल इज मोर देन गेटिंग द रेड बॉल. नेक्स्ट इज नो इट. In tossing a coin, all possible outcome are head and tail. The tossing two coins, all possible outcome that are head head, head tail, tail head and tail tail. On rolling a die, all possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In drawing a card from the well shuffled deck of 52 cards, number of possible outcomes that are 52. Next is exercise 17. When a die is thrown, list the outcome and probability of getting an even number. So even number कौन से हो जाएंगे? 2, 4 and 6. And total कितने नंबर होते हैं? 6. So total outcome है 6. Even number 3 हो जाएंगे. So probability हो जाएगी 3/6. That is 1/2. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is summary. Probability means the chances of happening an event. A well-defined outcome, that is called an event. An event is one or more outcome of an experiment. The collection of all possible outcome of a random experiment, that is called the sample space. Probability, that is the number of favorable outcome upon total number of possible outcome. Next is multiple choice question. Take the correct option. Which of the following is an event? Showing up had. So option C is the correct answer. Showing up had. So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now to practice it.